Welcome back. You know, the Buck Creek Festival is right around the corner, and one of the musical headliners is with us today. It's the Tommy Crowder Band. Tommy Crowder is the lead vocalist, of course, and he's here with Chris Nelson, who is organizing the Buck Creek Festival this year. Welcome, guys.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Tell us about the Buck Creek Festival real quick.
It is an annual event held in the city of Helena. We do it Mother's Day weekend every year. This is our 11th year, and it is just a wonderful opportunity for the community to gather around. We average around 10,000 people that come down and play with us, and we raise lots of money for our area charities and nonprofits. So it's just a whole lot of fun.
Very good. And Tommy, your band is kicking off this Friday, headlining an event. And tell us, what can people expect from your band?
Good country music that's on the radio now, top 40, and we're going to try to rock the Buck Creek down.
All right. And you guys are all based in Birmingham. Introduce us to your band.
We got Jeff Durr on guitar right here. We got Jeffrey B. Singleton on the bass here. We got Jack Hurlong on guitar and Don Kosklinski on drums back here. And that's the Tommy Crowder Band. I'm Tommy Crowder. There he is.
All right. Now, we heard some of your music already. What are you going to play for us right now?
We'll play Jake Owen 8-Second Ride here in a minute.
Okay. All right. Well, take it away. We'll step back so we can enjoy.
Come on! I said, hey girl, what's your name? Haven't I seen you before? I recognize those dark green eyes when you walk through the door. I said, are you alone? Are you with someone? She said, a matter of fact, I'm not. So I took her hand, that's when it all began, as we were heading toward the parking lot. She said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? 'Cause I ain't ever seen a country boy with tires on his truck side. I said, climb on up, honey, wash the cup, I'm spitting my dip inside. And hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than any 8-second ride. We went riding around, rocking to the sounds of a country boy can't survive. And I knew then she was my kind of girl, 'cause she was singing every single line. Well, she slid on over, put my hand on her shoulder, and I asked her what she wanted to do. She said it really don't matter where we go, just as long as I'm riding with you. And she said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? 'Cause I ain't ever seen a country boy with tires on his truck this high. I said, climb on up, honey, wash the cup, I'm spitting my dip inside. And hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than any 8-second ride. So we headed out to Old Tobacco Road, put the tailgate down and we made love. She said a true country boy is hard to find, but I found one that's wilder than any 8-second ride. She said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? 'Cause I ain't ever seen a country boy with tires on his truck this high. Said, climb on up, honey, wash the cup, I'm spitting my dip inside. And hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than any 8-second ride. Said, hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder